it a turn and a rock?
Yeah, because you screw this up and I lock it.
Oh. But what did I say?
Is it a record?
Yeah, man, it's a record. Yeah, let me see. Let me use my phone and look man. Yeah, charge them run down the BM car. Gots to. I could have never. Gots to.
Nobody else now flash.
They want a record charge. Stop.
So wait, that's it me good?
Yeah, man.
You sure the pan wide angle?
Yeah, man.
Alright, charge. What you not see?
Yeah, oh, you mean now, safe?
Me say not see you.
Oh, me good, man. I tell you, I can't hold it over because the glass, they're too close.
I'm gonna tell you the people now. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Some in there. And someone in there either is just me. I'm Reggie, I see it.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, so we're there up on the road and do a one little
Video.
video for a little contest. But by the time you see that video contest, probably the close already. You're probably not used to the vehicle we're in, but I just saw it go, you have to change up things sometimes, is it? So before we go further, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Remember to like this video, leave us a comment. As you would have seen in previous videos, we have some things coming. We always have said. So we're in a Mini Cooper right now. Which one is again? Countryman. Yeah, man, one of Countryman them. And we just come from country. See?
And you is a man.
And he's a man, so it's only fitting.
Yeah.
Yes. You eating up your cracker? What's wrong? Uh-oh, bless you. Yeah, guys, so as you can see, I'm Sam on the road. I'm gonna drop off Chris, and then, you know, going home, I started to say, like, we want to try and make a little vlog out of this day. It might not be much, but somebody decided to say, oh, let me just do a little video. So drop off Chris, him going start out something with Tommy, and yeah, me and Samuel I head back home. We're gonna have something to collect at 11 o'clock. Can just go and show the little bits and pieces of the day. Well, my mother's birthday is coming up, so I decided to do a little photo shoot. You know, like she have little pictures can post on the day. Yes, Sam? Thank you. So I'll show you guys some of that too. So yeah, that's one journey with us. Thanks for the support so far. Remember to continue to like, comment, share, subscribe, make the ads them play. Yes. No, you have to stay in the car seat. So yeah, we did actually pull over stairs because him start saying one crackers. I see that him just bite one little piece and that's it. But guys, as the day go along, we continue to show you a little piece in. So journey along with us. Guys, I almost forgot that I was vlogging, right? So I actually go on the road. When I'm back on the road, I go home, come back out, gonna meet up and collect one little gift for mommy. I'm gonna try to put something together. And now, yeah, pick up my brother. I'm gonna follow him go get something on the road, is it me? So yeah, me I try my thing. He man some what this away from me. So yeah, we filling it in. Hey, hi Sam. Alright guys, sun hot Sam. Guys, the famous Portmore Mall. I saw the place there, KFC. I'm just going to one place though, so I don't not see much really. Alright, so I can't go do this. Music I play, so we don't have video in here. Right? Hey, come on. Come. Samuel Smart. You saying hi? Say hi. Yes? What's that? The fridge? You like it? Leave people them things. Hey. Samuel, close the people them jaw.
Everybody has issues today, but I'm not really issues on my hand.
Chop. Hey, it's my style to tear up my little thing. Eh? What up? Eh? Guys, him feel big. Who can buy big gift for them girlfriend a bought? Him get good training, you know. Chris train him. Chris train him. Go on, Sam. How you feel? The man feels bigger now.
Yes, we get things.
That's right. So guys, it's after 12 now, and okay, mom forgot to do her makeup for 12:30. So I don't know, the time just I go so I go get mommy now. I'll go do that. So yeah, me check back in. So bye.
Guys, so me I take over the vlog a little bit. So me I drive, I'm there with Sam. We just pick up mommy and we dip on we are gonna get our makeup done. So yeah, journey along with us.
You're not sure we do.
See mommy there. See Sammy there. We never go see with me, you know, because I don't really do that vlog thing here, you know, but me I try a thing.
Mommy, I get makeup. Yeah, my CJ. So guys, yeah, we just drop off mommy. The run to get something and come back for her, because she not for stay long because she not do nothing extra. So we're gonna sort that out and come back, and then we'll go on our journey, you see me? So they kinda now go home. I did expect, I never know say so much run up and down and stuff, but I sort it out.
You can't eat banana chips?
You eat banana chips, sir? That's what you want? Okay. Broke bag. Come. So guys, we're looking wrapping paper now. So yeah. Problems in my eye. Him not bad want the snack. Him what is it toys?
Well, are you going to buy things?
Me not, I'm not buying anything. CJ, see wrapping paper them they get where you are. What's here? Excuse me? Hey, put that back please. Put it back. Put it back. Buy 3 just in case.
Put that down, that's our girl.
Sam, come on. Let's look at bow. What color bow you want? No, because these are bigger ones that we can make up ourselves. Come, Sam. Where give me for now? You
Hold this up.
come, Papa. Let's go to the cashier now.
Let's go to
No,
the
not that. We don't need that. We don't need that, Papa. Put it back, please. Thank you. Go ahead. We got it already. Alright, guys. That's it for now. Come, Sam. We'll check back in. Maybe have our makeup. Alright. So we are gonna head out now. Guys, look who is that? Pull the window. Hi. Say hi.
Hi to who?
Your fans.
My fans, I'm not the fans.
Say hi to your fans.
I'm not fans, Sammy. I see me have. Big up me AC them, you know? Yeah, man.
Chris, you now say hi. Chris,
now say hi.
Chris, say hi.
Touch it. Nah, see on him just.
You now say hi.
Yeah,
They say hi?
Yeah.
Hi. What else have I said?
Guys, you reach.
Welcome to another video, guys. I'm just joining for the first time since today.
So, we never done a little vlogging.
Oh, for vlogging, say I work, we go work.
Chris, me telling us if we even do a little video in the car.
Never that go work out, Sammy.
So, you,
And the police then kill the time, reach back to the place late.
where police know? When you get ticket?
No, ticket for what? We can't get ticket.
Yeah, where police know?
When you come out, I can't talk.
Alright, see mommy there. Hey! They be ready. Mask? You don't need a mask. We don't need no mask. Alright guys, we are going to do a thing. Chris here, Samuel, them wake up. What? What? Alright, Grumpy, wake up. I'm ready. Guys, we're there, the crew there. Sam? Hi. Hey. We're out.
Oh, that's you.
Outside. Come here. Come, Papa. Go on, Tommy. See a picture there. Take a picture. No matter. No. Oh, the crazy, you know. But we're there. Our CJ there, and you have photographer today, CJ? No. Everybody had take picture. Watch here. I want this a celebrity style. Everybody phone out.
Are you alone?
I don't yeah, say. Clearly, me lame. What am I do? What am I do? No, you are for force. And that will be pretty, you know?
Where's the for smile?
Yes, that's nice.
Oh, Sam's, come off of the phone screen and go, man.
Yes, Tommy, that is pretty.
The amount of them will have to go delete.
Serious?
20 of them which is serious.
No, actually, so mommy always.
One way when we catch her with
No, that's why you have to do off guard. That's so she take pictures. Other than that.
I never tell myself my candy picture.
Yeah, so you have to catch her.
So what about like biscuit picture and them something?
Candy.
Oh, candy. Okay.
Alright, guys. And that's a one. Chris never do. I'm going to tell him for do a little vlog today. So, yeah. No. When we say I do at the altar, it ain't never somebody forget a break. Don't it?
I do give you a break.
No. Eh? And this him like, you know, watch him. Uh-oh. CJ. CJ. You know how to do it? Yes, sir. Proper photographer.
Pro!
Listen to hype man.
Chris Photo works. Yo, go climb up.
You know say you're a real hype, man.
Up in the bush.
Yeah,
Yeah, man. See that? Hey, I eat that. Hey, is that $2 million photo after that? $2 million photo that? Young girl.
Hype, man, this.
Yeah, man.
Oh, we're in our way?
Before daddy, I chat to Sunny, like someone
Daddy best friend. Yeah, man, she come out.
Of course, come right out. Sam. Son?
The sun hot though. Him just got for little freedom.
My boss. This be on a smile.
No one come do that
What?
right there, so yeah, daddy. Don't do that right there, so
What not do?
Just broke piece and taste it here, Uncle Cleve, and tell me.
What is that?
Meringue, free up the bridge. Meringue. Oh, bread.
Enough for we not the way. Guys, you remember when I was telling you say Chris train him? See there? So now them join hands and wrap. You see that style in a car back? Car back wrapping. Alright guys, so we're basically done, see? And we're heading home now. So I say, why not just close out the video from now, you see me? Thank you guys for watching. Hope you like, see something more to like, right? And just remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And when it comes to the ads, make them play. Nobody be like Samuel and skip ads. Just make them play. All if you just look with you a minute, and then when you hear our voice again, when you come back, that can't work. Nothing wrong with that. But yeah, we'll call it a day and end it as well, right? So remember, the journey continues, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye. You said bye, Sam? No? Okay. Alright guys, bye.